Saungut ki Nongialam bat ki dukhat ka sengking atiar jong ka hinyo trep National Liberation Council Hnlc kila wan yu kejat tiap hanong ba shilong hakajan miet jong ka ar pulai tari ujemang ar hajar ar paulai ban ye Shim Bynta shakami Jingiakren bat ki ar teli ki bor Sorkar naga Bynta kumno ban ye mir jingmun ban penbek ki kenrum kenram ki bla jujia hakisnam ki bla likno shadin. Kitegi saungut ki Nongialam ba ki dukhat ka seng Hnlc ki kentum yoba man bhalang jerwa vice chairman uba Aristowel thongni political secretary arngut ki PSO ba kentup yoba Raymond Lapang bat uba storji lingdo rengkat ka jing sanran lang do uba sadon bla uksiang jong ki Jingiakren kila lekindu shwa ki nong thok hubor ha umyam ribhoi distreng shwa ban Shim Bynta shakami Jingiakren bat ki bor Sorkar. Kajingwan kita ki Nongialam bagi dukhat ka seng Hnlc ban poi shakami Jingiakren kanlong hakisngi ban bud hakaba kini mir jingmut bat ki bor ka Sorkar Jylla balayalam da ka MDA 2 bat ki bor Sorkar India shushu lo ongru baka Sorkar kade ban wengno shwaya baro ki kes ki bala pengan khnang baka Jingiakren shakmat kanlong ka bayaj ben bat la ongru baka ni kamdei ka jing pendam white jong ka seng Henry kadai tang ka Jingiakren yesuk hapadeng ka seng berka Sorkar kami berkumju berka Sorkar Jylla.
Regarding the peace talks, regarding the government of India, government of Meghalaya, like it's just for an information to the public.
So what is the status?
The status right now is we will be having formal talks very soon, in the first week of June. So after the formal talks takes place, then only we will be able to deliberate further. What?
The formal.
We have had since the beginning of this peace process, we have had discussion with the central government interlocutor, including people from the IV and the Home Ministry 3 times, and the latest meeting that we had is with the Home Minister of the state, Shim, in the presence of Chief Secretary and Home Secretary. Whatever deliberation that has taken place in all these talks is about the kind of breaking the ice so that the peace process can move forward. When I say that we are breaking the ice means we cannot straight away go to the political demands of the organization. What we have done in different in this 4-5 deliberation is that we talk of the peace for the safe passage for the leaders of the Hnlc to be able to come to India and have a face-to-face discussion at different level. And secondly, the deliberation was on the amnesty, because peace process cannot move forward until and unless the government, both central and state government, consider amnesty for the organization as a whole and all its individual members. About the safe passage, yes, it has been agreed about a year ago that all the participating leaders of the organization can move freely to proceed with the peace process. And as far as amnesty is concerned, that is a subject matter which we will be placing in the first formal meeting that is going to be held soon. So far that is the status, and so far that was the discussion that we have discussed. Now, until and unless this waiving of legal action is in place, the waiving of legal action simply like it may be through the amnesty, or it may be whatever the procedure the government knows better. So peace process can be signed only after the organization feel it's okay to go ahead with the ceasefire. But the subject matter of the ceasefire will be placing in the first formal meeting, and we have to hear the technicalities of it. We have to discuss with the Home Ministry and the state government, and if it is okay, then it's okay, and if not, then it might be delayed.